What if I told you that you have the power to attract wealth into your life without even leaving your home? Sounds unbelievable, right? But let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to effortlessly draw money and opportunities into their lives, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The truth is, the difference isn't luck or talent, it's their mindset. And today, I'm going to show you how to tap into the law of attraction to create the financial freedom you deserve. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll reveal 7 powerful steps you can take to start attracting money quickly, right from where you are. And at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that can accelerate your journey to abundance. So don't miss it. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's dive in. The first step to using the law of attraction to get rich is reprogramming your money mindset. Most people don't realize that their relationship with money is shaped by beliefs they've carried for years. Beliefs like, money is hard to earn, or wealth is only for lucky people. These thoughts act like invisible barriers, keeping abundance out of reach. Think of your mind as a thermostat. If it's set to just getting by, no matter how much money you attract, you'll find yourself stuck at that level. But when you adjust that thermostat to wealth and abundance, you'll start to notice opportunities flowing to you naturally. Here's how to begin. Start every morning by affirming new beliefs about money. Say out loud, I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me effortlessly. While you do this, close your eyes and imagine checks arriving in your mail or payments landing in your bank account. It's not about tricking yourself, it's about creating a new mental pattern. Another powerful tool is to identify and challenge the beliefs that are holding you back. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, I'll never be rich, ask yourself, is that really true? Replace it with, I deserve financial freedom, and I am creating it now. Over time, this rewires your subconscious mind, turning negative thoughts into ones that align with abundance. The moment you shift your mindset, you'll start noticing opportunities you didn't see before. It all starts within you. When you believe you're worthy of wealth, the universe begins to align in your favor. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use to activate the law of attraction, and creating a vision board for your financial goals is a game changer. Think of it as a physical representation of the future you want to create. When you see it daily, it programs your mind to focus on achieving that reality. Start by imagining the lifestyle you dream of. What does financial freedom look like for you? Is it waking up without worrying about bills? Traveling the world? Or maybe it's running a successful business from home. Now, find images that reflect those dreams. Pictures of luxury homes, a bank statement with your dream balance, or even a photo of the car you want. Add inspiring quotes about wealth and abundance to keep you motivated. Here's the key. It's not just about looking at the board. Spend a few minutes every day visualizing what it feels like to already have those things. Picture yourself writing checks, making purchases, or enjoying experiences with total financial ease. Feel the gratitude and joy as if it's already yours. This emotional connection is what activates the law of attraction. Your vision board should also remind you to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Place it somewhere you'll see it often, above your desk, next to your bed, or even as a digital version on your phone. Every time you look at it, let it fuel your determination and remind you of the abundant life you're creating. Your dreams are within reach, and the vision board is your daily reminder to stay aligned with them. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to unlock abundance through the law of attraction. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you send a clear message to the universe. I appreciate what I have, and I'm ready for more. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, and that shift is what attracts wealth into your life. Even if you're not where you want to be financially, there's always something to be grateful for. Maybe it's the fact that you have a roof over your head, food on your table, or even the ability to learn and grow from where you are right now. Start small if you need to. The key is to make gratitude a daily habit, because the more you practice it, the more natural it becomes to see the good in every situation. One simple exercise is writing down 3 things you're grateful for every day. But don't just list them, feel them. For example, if you're thankful for your job or a recent payment, take a moment to appreciate how it's helping you move closer to your goals. This emotional connection is what amplifies your energy and opens the door to even greater financial blessings. When you practice gratitude consistently, you'll notice something amazing. The more you appreciate what you have, the more reasons you'll find to feel grateful. It's a cycle that attracts more abundance into your life. Wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with a mindset of gratitude for what you already have. Limiting beliefs about money are one of the biggest barriers to financial success, and most of the time, people don't even realize they have them. These are deeply rooted ideas that were often picked up in childhood, like money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, or you have to work yourself to the bone to be wealthy. While they may seem harmless, these thoughts act like a mental ceiling, stopping you from reaching your full financial potential. To eliminate these beliefs, the first step is to become aware of them. Pay attention to the way you think and talk about money. For example, do you feel guilty when you want more? Do you immediately assume making money is hard? Write these thoughts down. Once you see them on paper, it's easier to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true? Is there evidence to prove it? Chances are, you'll realize that these beliefs are just outdated stories you've been telling yourself. Next, replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of thinking, I'll never be rich, affirm, I have the power to create unlimited wealth. Instead of believing, money is hard to come by, remind yourself, opportunities for abundance are everywhere. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they'll start to shape your reality. Remember, money itself is neutral. It's not good or bad. It's simply a tool that reflects your energy and beliefs. By shifting how you think about it, you're opening the door to more opportunities, greater income, and lasting abundance. Once you let go of the mental blocks holding you back, you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial situation begins to transform. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positive thoughts or visualizing wealth. It also requires action. But the key is to take inspired action, which means aligning your actions with the energy of abundance. This doesn't mean working harder or running yourself into the ground. It means focusing on purposeful steps that feel right, even if they're small. The good news is, you can start taking inspired action right from the comfort of your home. Ask yourself, what skills, passions, or ideas do you already have that could create financial opportunities? Maybe it's starting a side hustle, offering a service online, or creating something valuable like an ebook or course. When you're aligned with the right mindset, you'll notice that these ideas don't feel forced. They'll feel natural, almost like the next logical step. That's how you know you're acting from inspiration rather than desperation. For example, if you've always thought about starting an online business, now is the time to research, learn, and take that first step. Or maybe you've been drawn to a certain platform like YouTube or Etsy. Listen to that nudge. When you take inspired action, you'll notice that opportunities begin to line up, almost like the universe is responding to your efforts. Don't wait for the perfect moment or try to figure out every single detail before you start. Even small steps, like writing down your ideas or taking a free online class, can create momentum. When your actions match the energy of your desires, the results come faster than you might expect. Remember, abundance is already within your reach. All you need to do is move toward it with confidence and trust. Every action you take from home is a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive the wealth you deserve. Your environment plays a huge role in the energy you project, and the energy you project determines what you attract. If you're surrounded by negativity, whether it's people, media, or even your own thoughts, it's like putting a block on the flow of abundance. To truly use the law of attraction to get rich, you need to surround yourself with positive energy that uplifts, inspires, and aligns with the wealth you want to create. Start by taking a closer look at the people in your life. Are they encouraging your growth, or are they pulling you into doubt and fear? Negative influences can drain your energy, making it harder to focus on your goals. That doesn't mean you have to cut everyone out, but it's important to set boundaries and prioritize spending time with people who believe in your potential and share your vision for success. You also have control over what you consume. Instead of watching content that feeds fear or scarcity, choose to immerse yourself in books, podcasts, and videos that motivate and inspire you. Listen to stories of people who've achieved the kind of wealth you want, and let their journeys remind you that it's possible for you too. The more you focus on content that aligns with abundance, the more you'll find your energy shifting toward positivity. Even your physical space can impact your energy. Clear out clutter, organize your home, and create an environment that feels abundant. Add small touches that remind you of wealth, like a vision board, a clean workspace, or even something as simple as a candle that makes you feel luxurious. These small changes send a message to your subconscious that you're ready to welcome abundance into your life. When you surround yourself with positive energy, it becomes easier to stay focused on your goals and to attract the wealth you desire. You'll find that not only do you feel better, but the opportunities and people you need to move forward will start appearing almost effortlessly. Positivity is magnetic, and when you're radiating it, abundance will naturally flow to you. One of the most important steps in using the law of attraction is learning to let go and trust the process. This can be the hardest part for many people because it feels natural to want to control every detail. But the truth is, when you hold on too tightly or constantly worry about when or how your desires will come, you're actually blocking the flow of abundance. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring about your goals. It means releasing the fear and doubt that they won't happen. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that nature will do its part. The same is true for your financial goals. Once you've set your intentions, visualized your success, and taken inspired action, you have to allow the universe to work behind the scenes. Trusting the process also means staying open to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes what you manifest doesn't show up exactly as you imagined, but it may be the perfect stepping stone towards something even better. Be willing to adapt and embrace the possibilities that come your way. A powerful way to let go is by focusing on gratitude for what you already have and believing that what you desire is on its way. Every time doubt creeps in, remind yourself, I am worthy of abundance, and it's already coming to me. This mindset creates the space for your desires to manifest without resistance. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. When you let go and trust the process, you'll find a sense of ease and flow in your journey. The universe is always working in your favor, but it requires your faith and patience. The sooner you release the need to control, the sooner abundance can find its way to you. You now have the tools to use the law of attraction to create financial abundance without ever leaving your home. By reprogramming your mindset, visualizing your goals, practicing gratitude, eliminating limiting beliefs, taking inspired action, surrounding yourself with positive energy, and trusting the process, you've unlocked a powerful roadmap to wealth. Each step builds on the next, creating a system that will transform not just your finances, but your entire perspective on success. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Start acting as if you're already wealthy. This doesn't mean overspending or pretending to be something you're not. It's about embodying the mindset of someone who's financially free. For example, treat yourself to small luxuries, like a coffee at a nicer cafe or a special journal to track your financial goals. These actions send a signal to your subconscious that you're ready to live a life of abundance, and the universe will respond accordingly. Remember, the life you desire is closer than you think. The key is to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start today. Every small step counts. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more tips on unlocking the abundant life you deserve. Your journey to wealth begins now.